Hello, so in this video I'm going to be talking about how to integrate more of a auth callback format for your Next.js application, because for auth, for example, you can, I guess, easily log in here, but it will not actually directly touch your database, right? So you can see I can go through here and then it can directly call dashboard or anything without mm, going through the additional layer that it should be. And I didn't see any Next.js related video, though that's why I'm gonna cover it, right? So basically, this is my quite basic application layout page, and here I just call the sign in with Google. I am using Supabase, right? I'm not gonna cover the whole layout of it or what I have been constructed to make it connect, but you can find it in a different video. So basically, here sign in with Google, you can see I create server, I have defined it here, and the server script, here I define a provider, and here a query parameter, and the prompt select account. So in a way, you can just make redirect to and just call, for example, uh, dashboard, right? And then I will directly act as a dashboard, but that's obviously not what we want. So in this case, I'm can already start doing it. So let me just add const redirect to. I prefer adding it here, and here I actually just pass it in. Oh, it actually is not here. It should be actually below. Wait for a second. And actually I have to pass in below here, because at first I have to go through the whole step and then redirect to. So now, as you can see, it's going in auth callback, so I have to go here. For now I have nothing created, I'm just gonna copy paste just for simplicity and go through line by line. At first fix these issues because it's from it's not for this layout, so it's really important. As you can see, as well define it as use server. Auth tokens I have defined, where are they? Here basically. Supabase auth tokens, right, that they're being passed in. Okay, I have to still save it. Here I passed in the requester URL, origin, and as you can see, there are as well helper function to create error, the redirects with cookies clearing, right? This is really essential if, for example, it doesn't proceed, right? With because it's being invoked here and here, right? And so for now, this one can be ignored. The Supabase has to be defined as let, and then inside here we create the instance of Supabase. We wait for it. If we cannot create a connection, then we trigger this one and clear the cookies that's been added in the cookie section of the website, right? And same applies here. If either Supabase is not existing or code is not being fetched in the search parameters, right? Then as well we clear the cookies, because it doesn't have to be, it cannot be static, it has to come and go for authentication to be like more, I don't know, on a page refresh for it not to throw you away and so forth, right? So simple stuff, right? Here we authenticate, exchange code for sessions. As I said, this is Supabase, so this is how it's handled there. We get the session, we get the user, and here if the user was not found in the session, then we throw unauthenticated. These ones are really relevant now, because now we're actually touching the database, right? That's why this auth a callback is really essential on auth, right? Because otherwise it would we can directly bypass it and put it in the in the dashboard page or whatever, right? So here, as you can see, we import these two. Check user exists by email. From the auth session, we get the email and we check if it's inside profiles, right? We check if it exists. If error obviously exists false and profile none, otherwise exists, we return if it exists or not, and here profile data, right? That is one thing. And another thing, user enabled as well, we have it here. Get user, this is a REPL basically helper. We go here, we select the profile enable, we get the user ID, right, from the session, and we check if the in the database table if this user based on this ID is enabled or not, right? Because we can obviously still fetch it through the auth Supabase, right? But maybe in your own database the user is not enabled, so obviously then it should return the callback error, right? And as you can see, here we have account not verified. But here we have check user exists by email. As well, from session we get user email, and if it doesn't exist, email not found. So you can see that's why this create error I guess helper function is required. Otherwise, if it's successful, next response redirect origin next, and next will be as let me dashboard, right? That's basically gist of it. Now let's go to the page, sign in, select my account. At first on auth, right, that is being approved by or found, and then you can see we have been logged in, right? So that's the basic gist of it. I hope you find this video useful. It took me some time to figure it out, even with some help of AI, because every database and can be quite different, and as well it's for me it was difficult for the exchange code for session to work due to the fact that it cannot be in the upper level, it has to be invoked inside, right? But apart from that, I hope you liked the video and see you in the next one. Cheers.